Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're preparing for the IELTS speaking test and aiming for a band 9, you're exactly where you need to be. In today's video, we'll go through a full IELTS speaking mock test on one of the most common and practical IELTS topics, daily routine. We'll go through all three parts using band 9 model answers, natural expressions, and examiner-style insights. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your IELTS study partners pre-test. And let's begin.
Let's begin with part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions about your daily routine and everyday activities.
Can you describe a typical day in your life?
On a typical day, I usually wake up early in the morning and start my day with a light breakfast. After that, I prepare for work and plan my tasks so I can stay organized and productive.
What part of your day do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy the early morning the most because it's quiet and peaceful. It allows me to focus, think clearly, and start the day with a positive mindset before everything becomes busy.
Do you usually follow the same daily routine or does it change from day to day?
For the most part, yes, especially on weekdays. Having a routine helps me manage my time efficiently. However, I try to keep my evenings flexible so I don't feel bored or stressed. I try to keep my evenings flexible so I don't feel bored or stressed.
In what ways has your daily routine changed as you've grown older?
Yes, it has changed quite a lot. When I was younger, my days were less structured.
Now, because of work and responsibilities, my routine is more organized and goal-oriented.
Do you believe having a routine helps people manage their time better?
Yes, I believe having a routine is very important. It helps reduce stress, improves productivity, and creates a sense of balance.
At the same time, it's important to allow some flexibility so life doesn't become too rigid.
Now I'm going to give you a topic. I'd like you to speak about it for 1 to 2 minutes. You'll have 1 minute to prepare. Can you tell me about a normal day in your life and the activities you usually do?
My daily routine usually starts early in the morning. I wake up around the same time every day, which helps me feel energized and organized.
After getting ready, I focus on my main responsibilities, such as work or study.
In the afternoon, I usually take a short break to relax, have lunch, and clear my mind. This helps me maintain my concentration for the rest of the day.
Overall, my routine helps me stay balanced and focused, and it gives structure to my life without feeling too restrictive.
We've been talking about daily routines. Now I'd like to ask you some more general questions. Why do you think people prefer having a daily routine?
People prefer routines because they create stability and reduce uncertainty. A routine helps people manage time effectively and feel more in control of their daily lives.
How can a daily routine affect a person's productivity?
A well-planned routine can significantly improve productivity by reducing wasted time and mental fatigue.
It allows people to focus on tasks without constantly making decisions.
Do you think having a daily routine can make life feel boring?
Not necessarily. While routines can become repetitive, adding small changes or flexible moments can make life interesting. Balance is the key.
How do daily routines differ between children and adults?
Children usually have routines created by their parents or schools, while adults design their own routines based on responsibilities like work and family.
How do you think daily routines are likely to change as society develops in the future?
In the future, routines may become more flexible due to remote work and technology. People might focus more on work-life balance rather than fixed schedules.
Thank you. That marks the end of the speaking test, and I appreciate your participation.